Today we're going to be taking a look at and a listen to the LyricLoom Dynamic Microphone. The company did send this over and compensate me to make this video. So let's take a look at what comes in the box, and then I'll show you a little bit of what it sounds like. So first of all, you do get the microphone. So this is a dynamic microphone, and it is XLR, so you do need an XLR cable. And they did provide one of those for you as well, so you do get a really nice XLR cable with that. You also get the XLR to 1/4-inch adapter, so if your sound console only has 1/4-inch capabilities, then you can just plug that right into here and plug it into your board that way. You also get a mic clip, which is really nice. So if you already have a mic stand, you can just put that in there, and then it does have a little adapter there for a couple different sizes, so you can see that up close. So very nice setup. And then last but not least, it does have a little wind filter, pop filter, and then it does have a little carry case along with the user manual. And once again, this is a dynamic microphone, so it's going to cut out all the noise around it. In the main portion of it, it's going to pick up all the sound right here directly into it. So this is going to be great for podcasting, singing, live audio, all that kind of fun stuff, so it doesn't get a bunch of surrounding sounds inside of it. And what I love about it, it does have an on-off switch, so you can double that up as like a mute button if you wanted to or need to turn it off while you're using it. So overall, seems like a really good quality build, feels good in the hand, looks good, a really nice microphone. So let's take a listen to what this sounds like. Okay, so I have the microphone plugged into my audio interface. It looks like I'm getting a pretty good signal. And just to show you what I'm working with here, this is plugged in right into my audio interface. This is running into my computer. So it's XLR to XLR. And this, once again, is a dynamic microphone. So it's designed to talk right and directly into, and it cuts out all the sounds around you. So just to demonstrate, I'm going to put the microphone to each side and then face it your way toward the camera and talk. That way you can hear how much audio it actually cuts out. So I'm going to move the microphone here. Now I'm going to come back to here and talk. Now I'm going to talk from on this side. Now I'm coming back to the center and talking. And now I'm going to talk on this side. So that is what a dynamic microphone is designed to do, is to keep all the audio kind of going directly into the microphone, and it really helps cut out. So if you're podcasting or live streaming or even doing a live event or singing or stand-up comedy or whatever, you're not going to get all that crowd noise going back through the PA system or into your recording. So hopefully this is a good enough audio test to give you an idea of what this microphone sounds like and how it works.